Hello student, here is one more example of conditional statement. This is the program for finding grade. In this example, I have used if, else, then if, means condition for the multiple options. So let's start the program. Now onwards, whichever program you will do, you have to take the value from the user. So that is why here also I have include import java.util.scanner. Then after I have written the class and name of the class is grade, then main, and then let's start the program. So here I have taken two variable. One is score, that is of integer type, matlab whatever value you will take from the user, it will be numeric only, and then on the base of score we will find the grade, that will be character. Then after I'm making one object of the scanner class, that is sc, you all are knowing about it. Then we are using new keyword. Using this we will create the memory for this object and system.in, this is used for the input. Then we are asking for the input using sop, enter your numeric test score. Here you will here user will enter the value, and that value we will store into the score. Now let's apply the conditional statement on this. Now here I have taken multiple conditions ki if the value of the score is greater than equals to 90, then your grade is going to be A. If the score is greater than equals to 80, then grade will be B. If score is greater than equals to 70, then grade will be C. If it is greater than equals to 50, then D. Else, if above all condition is not going to be true, then directly we will move to the this block and our grade will be F. Then SOP, your grade is, and whatever value is stored in grade, it will going to be display over here. So here I'm going to explain you through the two values. Here let me show you. In first case, let's take the value 56 as a score. Means suppose ki user has entered 56 as a score. So let's check. Here I'm writing 56 in place of score. So let's check. 56 is greater than equals to 90? No. So we will move to the next block. Now here we will check. 56 is greater than equals to 80? No. So we will move to the next block. Now here 56 is greater than equals to 70? Again no. So we will move to the this block. Now here 56 is greater than equals to 50? Yes. Because condition is yes, so now we will move to the this block and the value of grade will be D. So finally from this block we will jump to the SOP and our output will be your grade is plus grade and the value of grade is now D. So output will be your grade is D. Let me show you one more example with the score is equals to 89. So let's check if the score is 89. So here if 89 is greater than equals to 90, no. So we will move to the next block. Now here 89 is greater than equals to 80, yes. So we will move to the this block and the value of grade will be B and we will directly jump out from this statement and come to the SOP. Your grade is plus grade and the value of grade is B. So our output will be your grade is equals to B. Thank you.